Walmart has grown to become one of America's largest superstores. This has led them to become a popular choice for bakery items, as many people love their sweet buttercream. Fortunately, you can make the Walmart buttercream frosting recipe at home. Walmart's buttercream frosting is sweet and fluffy, making it a great choice for cakes. This recipe is fairly simple to make and does not require extensive baking experience. Walmart buttercream frosting, what you will need. Ingredients: 2 cups of butter, 2½ cups of powdered sugar, sifted, 2/3 cups of sweetened condensed milk, 2 large egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Walmart buttercream frosting, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Mix butter and powdered sugar and add the sweetened condensed milk. Place the butter and 2 cups of the sifted powdered sugar in a bowl. Mix at low speed until a smooth texture is achieved. Mix the butter and powdered sugar mixture at medium speed while adding in the sweetened condensed milk. Mix until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Step 2. Whipping the eggs and combine the mixtures. In a separate bowl, whip the eggs with a beater until they become stiff, while slowly adding 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar. Slowly add the 2 mixtures together. Add the vanilla and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Mix until all the ingredients are combined. You may double this last amount of powdered sugar if you wish to achieve a stiffer frosting. Be sure to mix your buttercream frosting until it reaches a stiff consistency, so you can have a smoothly frosted cake. This frosting comes out white, so you can add food coloring to achieve your desired shade. If you have leftover frosting, store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or in the freezer for up to 3 months. You may also store your frosted cake in the fridge to make it stay fresh longer. Walmart buttercream frosting, tips and tricks. When decorating with buttercream, it is easiest to use when it is not chilled. So if you have leftover buttercream that you've been storing in the fridge or freezer, make sure it is completely thawed before using. To get your frosting to the right consistency, make sure that your butter is softened, but still cool to the touch. This will help your buttercream hold the right texture to frost your baked goods. This Walmart bakery buttercream frosting recipe is the perfect addition to all your baked goods. It is simple to make and is bakery quality. This buttercream is fluffy and perfectly sweet, making it a great choice for frosting lovers. If you tried this frosting, please share your experience making it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.